Hey there Ching Champs, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important steps towards building wealth from your salary, setting a budget and sticking to it. But before we get started, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational purposes only, and you should always consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Creating a budget is the first step towards taking control of your finances. It allows you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Here are a few steps to help you create a budget. Start by identifying all the sources of income you have. This could include your salary, any side hustles, or any passive income streams you may have. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, including fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance, and variable expenses like groceries, dining out, entertainment, etc. Categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are the essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries, while wants are things like dining out, entertainment, and other non-essential items. Set a spending limit for each category based on your income and priorities. Allocate more money towards your needs and less towards your wants. Stick to your budget, this is the most important step. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and determination. You should track your expenses regularly to ensure that you're staying within your spending limits. Creating and sticking to a budget is a crucial step towards building wealth from your salary. It helps you control your spending, save more money, and achieve your financial goals. Remember to identify your income, list your expenses, prioritize your spending, set a spending limit, and most importantly, stick to your budget. Thanks for watching Ching Champs, and remember to consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. I'll see you in the next video.